Oo.
Oo nga.
La video. Me plus you. Ano nga min kantan? Bagaw no.
Mag-audition ka?
Kangkong garlic tomato.
Nag-audition ka ba?
Hindi na.
Ingkitan 0.05 ml for children under 1 year of age. Ang lagi kita niyo mami, ano yung 0.05 talaga.
Hindi, maligayang ako kayo may play. Ay, manggayang. Alam, madam, magayang. Alam, nag-fuck. Ba't ka nagpapakute? Cute ka ba?
Oo.
Aso ka? Aso ka?
Maganda ako.
Di ba? Ano ang cute sa'yo, Sheng? So, meaning, aso ka?
Hindi naman ako cute tanga.
Ah, sorry ah.
Sikat cute eh.
Dahil ang cute mo.
Ala, yung cute ko.
Ano, dahil. 0.05 ml.
What's your name?
My name is Maria Crisela Perlones.
What position are?
Alam mo, di ba ko?
Abay, di mo pa yung bis. What's your name?
My name
Ganyan talaga is hairstyle mo?
Hermione.
Yan talaga hairstyle mo? Okay, back to our client.
Okay.
What's your name again?
My name is Maria Crisela Luis.
Are you English speaking?
I'm not English spoken dollaring.
Why?
I'm just dumb.
Don't you know that we are required to speak English in this company? And you're and to think that you're applying for executive position.
A blind riser.
That's why I'm... Oh. Don't know how to...
What makes you unique from other monkeys?
Because I'm not like you.
Monkey, I think you are
An example
asking
of an
me a
ordinary
wrong... I think you are asking me a
Eh,
wrong
pati
question.
insert man, dali
This is
nakapintig
supposed
sa
to be
US
question in
Dictionary
you, mister.
Will you shut up, Sheng?
Pag insert man din
What are you? Are you the mother? Are you the mother?
No, I'm not. I'm the tiger. Ano yun?
Nag-corny?
Insert mo na, please.
Ano, nag-joke? I-close mo din. I forgot. Sorry ah.
What service can you provide in this company? What? Escort. So, what's your price?
It depends.
It depends upon the situation.
What?
It depends upon the situation.
No, it
What's
depends
it-
on the size.
Size of what?
Size of the person whom I will escort.
Really, Sheng? So, you mean Iggy? So, how much Iggy paid for you?
Iggy
I'm
paid
worthless.
Chen for...
Or
Wait.
about $3.
$3?
Oh, I love it.
Oh my God, you're so pathetic. There's a virus?
Nabitin niya?
Yes, ate, dinagyan namin. Hindi common? Ah.
Siya ka makasal mo.
Sila na na-infect ka.
Magnak-nak ka nga?
Ano yun?
Knock-knock.
Knock, knock.
Seryoso ako.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tanga.
Who's there?
Knock, knock.
Ay, ano kami yun? Jeline.
Jeline.
Jillian who?
Jeline.
Ah, you're so bad. You're so mean.
Ay, at dadali galiblan kami ito yung nga ikat amukol.
Oh my God, there's a virus?
Oh, John, no?
Oo. Te, ano deto eh.
Oh,
Ano
virus. Delete now. Now, Yaya, now.
Oh, I'm not your maid, dear.
But yes, of course.
Ayan. Tanggalin mo.
Ano, hindi ko,
Nagkapya kami ti, movies ni Kasi. Hindi siya kamo nasulat
hindi ko aging English umakon.
F ba? F? Oo, F.
So what's your final words for this interview? What's your final word?
Thank you.
Final quote?
Welcome.
Final smile? Final kiss? You love kisses? Okay. Thank you. Can you say thank you?
Tapos?
Can you acknowledge
Okay na?
everyone?
I would like to thank,
Whom?
um,
Whom?
Ikaw nagtuloy galiblan dun. Infected siya, di ba?
Huungat.
Lagay ko na lang siya.
why?
Di copy dito,
Ha, malapasan na.